Hi guys, welcome back to Emerge Kenya TV. We appreciate you so much for joining us. You guys are the best. Today we are in Ruiru, Kenya, and we wanted to show you this project has been ongoing. They're trying to eliminate traffic at the intersection of Thika Road and Nairobi Eastern Bypass. So they are constructing these ramps that will help eliminate the traffic going at that intersection. So that's what we're gonna be showing you today. Please guys watch until the end, and we'd really appreciate it so much. Remember to like, to share, to leave us a comment, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Thank you so much. As you guys can see, there's usually traffic congestion at this busy intersection, creating a lot of traffic and loss of time as motorists try to go through this roundabout. And Kenya National Highway Authority, also known as KENHA, would like to eliminate this problem. So a few months ago, they acquired land at all four corners of this intersection in order to build some ramps that will be used by motorists to bypass this busy intersection. Motorists on Thika Road or Thika Superhighway who would like to join Nairobi Eastern Bypass will now bypass the intersection by using the ramps, while motorists on Nairobi Eastern Bypass who would like to join Thika Road will also now bypass this busy intersection by using the ramp. This will now help a lot to decongest this busy intersection. We will now be taking you to all the four corners of this busy intersection so we can see the progress. So join us, and thank you so much, and keep watching. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly share, like, leave a comment and subscribe. And until the next video, have a great day. Be kind to someone today and cheers. Bye-bye.